Hello everyone, my name is Aksa Kandil and today I am presenting my final year project, Foreigner Student Guide. The project is a web-based application developed using Python and Flask. The purpose of this system is to help students, especially international students, by providing important information, communication features, and discussion platform in one place. Many students face difficulty when moving to a new country or a university. They struggle to find reliable university information, student guidance services, a platform to ask questions, easy communication with other students. There is no single platform that combines all these features in a simple way. The main objective of Foreigner Student Guide is to provide a centralized student support platform, ensure secure user authentication, allow students to communicate through forms and private messages, give administration full control over system management. The technologies which are used in these applications are Python as a backend programming language, Flask as a web framework, HTML, CSS, and Jinja 2 for front-end interface. PostgreSQL for database, SQLAlchemy for database management, Flask-Login for authentication, Flask-WTF for form validation. These technologies stack ensures that the application is secure, scalable, and easy to maintain. The main file in the project include app.py, handle roots and backend logics, model.py, define database tables, form.py, manages user input validation, config.py, store configuration settings, extension.py, initialize Flask extensions, templates contain all HTML pages. The user interface The user interface is simple and user-friendly. Let me enter. The main page include home page, universities page, embassies page, transportation page, banking page, tools for translations, firm page, messages, and admin page. Now let's see every page. University page include all the official websites, their official emails and the contact number, and admission process for international students and scholarships which Pakistan offer to international students, and the popular programs for international students like computer science, medical science, engineering, and so on. Let's go to our next page, embassies page. We have many Yemeni students in Bahawalpur, so we just include Yemeni embassies. Here they can take help from the Yemeni embassies and the documents which are required for their passport issues or documentation. Transportation, this include public transport like bus, rickshaw, metro, and for city to city travel, railway, and the the estimation of cost, and the apps which are used for traveling like Cream, Uber, InDrive, etc. banking for international student and currency exchange, and the procedure of opening a new bank account and the bank recommendations. Then tools for translator tools. We can translate English to Arabic or Arabic to English. And the language learning resources like online courses, mobile apps, or local resources. Forum is a student community forum. Connect with fellows international students in Pakistan. And then there is a private messaging page. Here is a admin dashboard where they can control all activities, and that's it. Thank you.